How to draw a cute turkey with a hat. Step 1. Draw the hat. Find the top of your paper. Draw a small square. Add a half circle. That's the turkey's cute hat. Step 2. Head. Draw a small circle right under the hat. This is the head. Make sure it touches the hat. Step 3. Face, body, and wings. Draw a double curved under the head. Make sure it touches the head a little. Draw cute wings. This is the turkey's body. Add to little feet. Draw two cute eyes on the head for the eyes. Draw a small, pointy triangle for the beak. Draw a wavy line that hangs down next to the beak. That red wobbly line is the snood. Step 4. Big feathers. Draw a large rainbow shape behind the body. Start and end it at the turkey's body. This is the edge of the feathers. Step 5. Color time. Use a yellow marker for the beak. Use a red marker for the snood. Use a light brown marker for the body. Use bright markers like red, orange, and yellow for the amazing tail feathers. Fill them in. You finished! You drew an awesome turkey.